Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we'll see the personality Balasaheb Gangadhar Kher, is also known as B.G. Kher. He was born on 24th of August 1888 in Ratnagiri, that is present day Maharashtra. He studied at New English School in Pune. He obtained Bachelor of Arts from Wilson College, Bombay. After completing his BA degree, he then qualified as a solicitor. He established law firm in Mumbai, Manilal Kher and Company, in 1918 and also started Bombay Law Journal. He continued his legal practice in spite of participating in the Indian freedom movement. He wanted a good education system in Maharashtra. He regulated and standardized the law program of Government Law College, Mumbai. He participated in various freedom movements like non-cooperation movement, satyagraha, quit India movement. He also started Bombay Legal Aid Society and Adivasi Seva Sangh and organized that works on economic and educational empowerment of Adivasis. He was elected to Constituent Assembly from Bombay on a Congress ticket. He spoke on various issues in the Constitution, like he strongly opposed the proposal the governor should be elected by election. He spoke on right to equality. He was of the opinion that abolishment of untouchability would help to get equality for Dalit Adivasi and other backward classes. He was a strong supporter that there should be prohibition of intoxicating liquors and drugs. We'll just see that. 24th of November 1948, B.G. Kher quote: "Drinking of liquor is one of the 5 deadly sins which Smritis have laid down, and that was not a matter of bigotry or prejudice, but the result of vast experience. Today, go to America. I met a number of people who genuinely regretted that they were not able to make prohibition a success. Why were they not able to make a success of it? Simply for the reason that they have gone on too long and it is too late now for them to go back. But the section of people who have the good of the community and of their country at heart still desire that it were possible to stop deterioration of human race, which is sure to be brought about by the use and by making use of intoxicating drinks irrespective of society. So, though a sin, both the Hindus as also for the Muslims, after the advent of the British, the use of intoxicating liquors became a sign of fashionable and a sign of progress and culture. Before the evil becomes so deep rooted that we also come to the same conclusion as those in Europe and America, that it is impossible to prevent our people from drinking, it is a time that the state should take up these reforms, which is not only in the interest of the country but also of the world and of the human race in general. So these were his views. He was a strong supporter of prohibition of liquors and drugs. We are thankful for his contribution in the making of the Constitution of India. Thank you.